Hey everybody, Ben Huey with FGMO Products in Merritt Island, Florida. It was recently requested that I do a little drive-by of the Blue Origin manufacturing facility. People don't really understand how close I live to all of this stuff, which is why I think it's funny. You know, I see these flat earthers, you know, talking about, you know, NASA doesn't exist and, you know, we live under a dome and all these crazy things. And, you know, all my friends work at NASA. Not all of them, but, you know, I have friends that work at NASA. I've been watching the shuttle launch since I was 8 years old. You know, it's incredible how somebody can be presented with all the evidence in the world that something is a fact, and they still deny it. I see it happen. I see it happen in all sorts of areas in life, and what it comes down to is you know, we don't trust anybody anymore. We have such disdain for our neighbors that you know, they must not know anything. I don't know, we're at a really weird point in society. And I'm kind of wondering if this isn't how the Dark Ages started. You know, because humanity was making, you know, magnificent strides as far as technology is concerned. And then suddenly, bam, it stopped. So, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna take you over here to the Blue Origin complex. It's kind of cloudy out, so you know, you can't really see. There's a traffic signal up here. That's if we keep going straight, that would take us to the Kennedy Space Center. You can't really see it. Because all the clouds, or all the rain. But we'll be able to see Blue Origin. We'll be able to see Blue Origin really well. And, you know, that's one of the words I notice I say on my videos a lot. Really well. This is growing really well. Oh, look at that. It's doing really well. So I apologize. I apologize for Donald Trumping that. I do have a more broad vocabulary than just those two words. So I'll get a thesaurus. But here we go. Here's the starting of Blue Origin. All right, from what I understand, they're going to take all of this land. They're going to take all of it to build this this manufacturing facility. So there's that, whatever that is, like a big warehouse. There's their offices, which there's actually a funny story involved with their offices, involving a 42-story vertical assembly building. But I'll tell you that story later, if you guys even care. But yeah, Blue Origin's taking all of this. I don't know if I'll get in trouble for videotaping, but you know what? That's what you get for living in the United States. You get videotaped because you have no expectation of privacy when you haven't done anything to enhance your privacy from public view. So, whatever. You're getting videotaped. Taped, I said. You're getting recorded. So yeah, this is it. This is all Blue Origin here. And like I say, they're supposed to take all of this stuff. I don't know how far back into the swamps they're going to take it, but I hear they're supposed to take everything. Here's Kennedy Space Center complex. This is the visitor center. It's all shitty out, so you can't really see it so good. But yeah, there's the Blue Origin facility. All right, well, you wanted to see it? There it is. So, yeah. Until next time, FGMO Products.